Hello and welcome to the special report presentation for the first quarter of 2019 earnings season that gets underway today, Friday, April the 12th. So in the previous quarter, we saw corporate earnings growing in overall, but with a slower rate compared to the third quarter. Now about the first quarter of 2019, the interesting is that forecasts are negative, predicting a 2.5% year-on-year decline in earnings per share. That is not unlikely given the fact that the positive effect from the US tax cuts in 2017 has started to fade out as the period we use to compare data moves forward. Global risks such as the trade war between the US and China, Brexit, and further slowdown in European markets could have pressured earnings as well, since US companies abroad feel uncertain about whether to make new investments or allocate their operations in other areas to avoid negative consequences. I yet personally believe that the outcome might not be as bad as forecasts suggest, since the US economy is still expanding, yes, softly but still growing. While looking specifically at the labor market, employment continues to increase at healthy levels despite the suspicious small increase in February. Wage growth has reached new highs, but during the first quarter, the increase wasn't significant on average, which probably caused little disruption to corporate profits. While on the monetary front, the Fed's decision to keep interest rates steady this year is another benefit for US companies, as higher interest rates limit credit borrowing. Now in Wall Street, both the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones keep an upside trend that could stretch further if earnings beat forecasts. However, with both indices approaching record high levels, we could say that downside corrections are more likely, something the bearish doji and the following lower candles in the daily Dow Jones chart suggest at the moment. In such a case, we could find support near 2820 and then between 2715 and 2630 in the S&P 500 market, while in the Dow Jones chart the price could weaken initially towards 25,200 and then down to 24,800 and 24,400. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching and have a great day.